Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. This book isn't just another finance guide, it's a step-by-step plan to help you build a rich life without giving up the things you love. Sounds good, right? If you want to master your money, get out of debt, and live your best financial life, stick around. I'll break down the key concepts and share 5 actionable lessons that will put you on the path to financial freedom. Let's jump in. I Will Teach You to Be Rich is all about managing your money in a way that feels empowering, not restrictive. Ramit Sethi's approach is super practical. It's built around automating your finances, making conscious spending decisions, and investing for the long term, without sacrificing the things that make life fun. He's also big on mindset, helping you overcome any money fears or limiting beliefs. Key Concept 1. Rich Life, Penny Pinching. One of the core ideas of the book is designing your rich life. Ramit encourages you to focus on the things that bring you joy and cut back on things that don't. It's not about deprivation, but intentional spending. Want to spend on lattes? Fine. But be smart about it. Key Concept 2. Automate your finances. Automation is key. Ramit suggests setting up automatic systems for your money, so your savings, bills, and investments all happen without you thinking about it. This way, you're consistently building wealth with minimal effort. Key Concept 3. The power of investing early. Ramit is a big advocate of starting to invest as early as possible. He recommends using low-cost index funds, similar to other financial experts, and letting compound growth work in your favor. Key Concept 4. Conscious Spending Plan. He introduces the Conscious Spending Plan, which is all about allocating your income to 4 key areas: fixed costs, investments, savings, and guilt-free spending. This plan gives you freedom while still ensuring you're hitting your financial goals. Key Concept 5. Negotiate everything. Ramit believes in negotiation. From credit card rates to salaries, he says you can often get more if you just ask. Negotiating small things adds up, and over time, it's an easy way to boost your finances. Now that we've covered the key concepts, let's dive into 5 specific lessons from the book that you can apply today to reach financial freedom. Lesson 1. Automate your finances. Ramit's first lesson is all about automation. He suggests setting up automatic transfers for your paycheck. Every month, your bills get paid, your investments get funded, and your savings grow, without you doing anything. Automation keeps you consistent and removes the stress of managing everything manually. Tip: set up auto transfers for savings, bills, and investments. Lesson 2. Focus on big wins, not small sacrifices. Ramit says to focus on big wins. Stop obsessing over skipping $3 lattes and start focusing on things that make a bigger impact. This includes negotiating your salary, choosing the right investment accounts, and minimizing high-interest debt. These moves will change your financial situation far more than small sacrifices. Tip: prioritize big financial wins over minor savings. Lesson 3. Start investing now, even if it's small. Lesson 3 is to start investing as early as possible. Even if it's a small amount, the power of compound interest works wonders over time. Ramit suggests low-cost index funds, especially for beginners. The earlier you start, the less you need to save over time to hit your goals. Tip: start investing early to take advantage of compounding. Lesson 4. Use a conscious spending plan. Ramit's Conscious Spending Plan is all about being intentional with your money. It's not a traditional budget where you track every dollar. Instead, you allocate percentages of your income to key areas: 50-60% for fixed costs, 10% for investments, 5-10% for savings, and 20-35% for guilt-free spending. This lets you spend on things you love, guilt-free, as long as you're hitting your financial goals. Tip: create a conscious spending plan that aligns with your goals. Lesson 5. Negotiate for better deals. Lesson 5 is all about negotiation. Ramit says most people never ask for better rates or higher pay. But if you're willing to negotiate, whether it's with credit card companies, banks, or your employer, you can save or earn thousands of extra dollars over time. Tip: don't be afraid to negotiate for better rates and salaries. So, those are the 5 key lessons from I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Ramit's approach is simple but powerful. Automating your finances, focusing on big wins, and investing early can make all the difference in your financial future. Plus, with a conscious spending plan, you can enjoy the things you love without guilt. If you're serious about building wealth and living a rich life, I highly recommend picking up this book. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more personal finance tips and book reviews. Also, let me know in the comments if you've read I Will Teach You to Be Rich and what lessons stood out to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.